Rift Valley fever is one of the viral diseases spread by mosquitoes that affects both humans and livestock in Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. There is no treatment for the infected, and those with severe symptoms have only a 50% chance of survival. Vaccination of livestock helps, but only if it's done before the outbreak, so knowing when it's about to occur is of crucial importance. But predicting an outbreak has been impossible. Analyzing satellite observations of Earth weather patterns, scientists with the university's Space Research Association working at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center picked up a curious coincidence.
We noticed one thing. Every of the outbreaks of Rift Valley fever had occurred in Eastern Africa during an El Niño event.
El Niño and La Niña are two cycles of warm and cold temperatures occurring in the equatorial Pacific, so huge that they affect weather systems as far as the Indian Ocean. And the rain they bring creates a rich environment for disease-carrying insects called vectors.
What happens is not only do you get above normal rainfall, but it's actually extended. So instead of having a growing season for about 3 months, you end up having 4 to 5 months. These conditions over a large area like Eastern Africa would result in the flooding of habitats where these mosquito eggs are and a blooming of the vectors.
A monitoring program funded by the U.S. Department of Defense Health Agency, NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center, World Health Organization, and various country partners supplies about 25 recipients with monthly information about potential risk of outbreaks. Together with Rift Valley fever, it looks at several other vector-borne diseases such as hantavirus, chikungunya, and dengue.
We are able to map what is going on around the world on a daily basis. We basically can determine what anomalies lead to particular outbreaks.
Anyamba says more outbreaks will be prevented as the program gains more visibility among governments and non-government organizations in affected countries. The predictions are also posted on the website of the U.S. Department of Agriculture's Center for Medical and Veterinary Entomology. George Putic, VOA News, Washington.